Get in gear for riding season, CARDO Edition. Let's go over a few steps. Step 1, you got to refuel your CARDO unit or consider upgrading to the latest and greatest communicator. Luckily for me, I have the latest and greatest. This is the PackTalk Edge, and it's fully charged. Step 2, check and see if it's time to revamp your unit with the CARDO Refreshment Kit. Luckily for me, mine's brand new, so I don't need it. Step 3 is to update your CARDO Connect app on your phone. Mine is updated. Step 4, update your unit with the latest software version via the CARDO Update software for PC or the CARDO Connect app. I use the Connect app and it worked out perfectly just a few days ago. Step 5 is check phone pairing to the CARDO Connect app. Step 6 is check mic functionality by making a phone call using the unit. I love you, but that was all I needed. You're in a video right now, I swear. Step 7, the speakers should be placed directly opposite of your ear canal, and you can test the functionality by playing your favorite song. Now you're ready to go. Just count down the days till your next ride. For me, it's right now.